Struggling with foggy printing results and outdoor fading issues in ink production? Selecting the right filler addresses these core problems. Superfine barium sulfate replaces costly precipitated barium sulfate, lithopone and titanium dioxide. Chemically stable and acid-alkali resistant, it delivers high whiteness to retain film gloss and adjust coating viscosity freely. Made from premium white barite ore and ground by imported air jet mills, it has even fine particles and great dispersibility. It eliminates pigment agglomeration and floating, boosting outdoor coating weather resistance with ISO 32662 compliant powder specs for global export. It hardly weakens film hiding power yet slashes raw material costs, perfectly fitting small and medium coating manufacturers. Suitable for printing inks and industrial topcoats. Stable supply and consistent quality are guaranteed for long-term bulk procurement. Leave a message stating your ink type if you need the recommended dosage ratio tailored to ink formulations, and we will provide custom proportion reference solutions.